Welcome back! Today, I decided to print my spirit animal. He's green, he's cranky, and he's made of toxic chemicals. Just perfect. We're printing this Grinch bus in resin using my uniformation printer because filament is for who's. We also want as much detail for the mean one himself. After printing out the model, we went ahead and primed everything in black, like his soul, or my tea. Now, a light coat of white from the top. It's called the Zenithal Highlight, but let's just call it the first snowfall. He's about to ruin. Time for the green Vallejo paint. We're dry brushing this on so the black stays within the wrinkles, mostly because he hasn't moisturized. I have a set of dry brushes that I really like, and that's what I use to apply the paint to the model. Breaking out the airbrush for that Santa hat. We want a red that makes the neighbor's yard decorations look insecure. If you like the content, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on the video. It helps my channel grow. Now let's get back to the video.
For the final reveal, just want to remind you guys to check out my website. If you're looking for a garage kit for something I've done in the past, if you're looking for a painting kit to paint something, or if you just want me to print or paint something custom for you, you can message me on my website. The website is nightwolfllc.com, and that's wolf with a U, not an O. Now let's see the final reveal.
There he is, the king of Please Leave Me Alone. He looks good, but he'll definitely steal your Who hash. So please like and follow, or the Grinch comes to your printer next. Merry Grinchmas. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome projects like this.
What are you looking at? I'm the Grinch.